Was June 2017 special? No, because under every first day of the month, 7 days later, you will get the 8th day. Under every second day of the month, you'll get the 9th day. Under every third day, you'll get the 10th day. It will always be the same, no matter where you start your calendar from, what day of the week it starts on. The square will always have that same relationship. So, the next question involved 3 blocks, and it wanted to see what happened when you had 3. So I'm going to take the block 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16 and 17 and see what happens. Well, 1, 2, 3. This is 1 less than 2 and this is 1 more than 2. So if I shared them out equally, it would be like having 3 times 2, because that's 2 minus 1 and that's 2 plus 1. And this number here is 8, 9, 10. That's 9 take 1. That's 9 add 1. So 3 9s are 27, add 1 28, take 1 27. So that's like having 3 times 9. So I've got 15, 16, 17. That's 16 take 1. That's 16 add 1. So that's like having 3 times 16. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 16 is 48. You can always use a calculator. If I add these up, they add up to 81. 981. 9 times 9 is 81. That might be worth a look at. So, let's look at 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18. Well, this is 3 take 1, this is 3 add 1, so 3 3s are 9, take 1 is 8, add 1 is 9, so this is 3 times 3, which is 9. Again, that's 1 less than 10, that's 1 more than 10, so it's like doing 3 times 10, which is 30. And this is 17, so this is 1 less than 17, this is 1 more than 17, so I'm going to do 3 times 17, which is 3 times 10 is 30, 3 times 7 is 21, so this one is 51. That's going to give me 60. This whole thing's going to add up to 90. 10 times 9 is 90. That's interesting. So that middle number times 9 gives this number here. So far so good. Let's check with another one. 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20. So that's 5 take 1. That's 5 add 1. So I can do 3 times 5 because the add ones and the take ones disappear. Gives me 15. That's 12. That's 12 take 1. That's 12 add 1. So I can do 3 times 12, which is 36. That's 19 take 1. That's 19 add 1. The add 1 and the take 1s disappear. 3 times 19, well 3 times 20 is 60, so that's going to be 57. Let's add these up. I think I get 108, and 12 times 9 is also 108. Basically, if I take that middle number and times it by 9, I get the total. Why? Well, let's have a look at how these numbers work. Let's take the middle number. This number, 5, is 12 take 7. This number is 12 take 6, and 4 is 12, take 8. This number is 12, take 1. This number is 12, 13 is 12 plus 1. 18 is 12 plus 6. 19 is 12 plus 7. And 20 is 12 plus 8. So look how many 12s we've got here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. So we've got 9 times 12, which is 108. We've got to take 8, but we've also got an add 8. So if I take 8 from the number, then I add it to the number. The number's not going to change. So that's going to make no difference to the number. I've got to take 7, but I've also got an add 7. So if I take 7 from the number, then I add 7. It's not going to change. I've got to take 6 and an add 6. And I've got to take 1 and add 1. The numbers, you can see the numbers we're adding on cancel each other out because there's always a negative version of it. So if I add 7, there's always going to be a pair with a take 7. So it just is, I'm left with 9 lots of 12. And again, it will work for any number you have in here. You can think of it as any number. So I can have my number here. This number will be my number take 7. This will be my number add 7 because that's the row behind. This number will be my number take 6. This will be my number take 8. To get to that number, I've got to take 7, then I take another 1 off. To get to this number, I need to add 1. To get to this number, I need to take 1. To get to this number, I need to add 8. When I get to this number, I need to add 6. And you'll notice I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 9 numbers. And we also notice the 6s cancel out, the 1s disappear, the 8s disappear. I don't need to worry about the numbers added on, I just need to find the middle number and times by 9. It's like sharing everything out equally.